Adishimamba, James Gyakye Quason. Ghana for Kaya just say 2023 the na just say Gyakye Quason 170 na afa social media afa na 2024 the na just say as Atiako esane 2023 quarter kwaniaba a whole lot Emma even kwa MPP NDC for ever monte so ebe ka say akwaniaba ne edoso ntinke be ya judges for ne emu court baby no mo na said the be ya omuhia wo mu a entampaso na omama na omunya say akwaniaba kobra ene echina na chese ase omu hanan na abusia for finally say the court at the final judgment at the about Monteso for James Gyakye Quason. Na obi be kusa say nipa ikwa on one James Gyakye Quason nipa bia na chese na pray for some MP and na chese obi ede ne court esan say Ghana muramuno say who be pair a position ewo Ghana and so we are alleged to other country 1 year possible say obe near that position and so qualify for a year that na eno na say James Gyakye Quason a case abamonte so say ugodi a year Canadian citizenship card inti want to me on qualify say obey MP ewo ha say na koso social media na enya agoso man kopie court kwaniaba ene dey ensemi asan pie emontes yanko na yanko tie ensemi bi emba James Gyakye Quason adai obeko jail ana the time edu say ono so ebeto linkofo bi enwon sawem esan say court the shocking ruling apa on James Gyakye Quason James Gyakye Quason ye ne okoye hwan ebuza for me Jesus na asem we ba ye 2024 no say ya shada anti asem no bi ma ba asem ni see 2023 eni de ka kan say 2024 no mu no ya shada anti no asem say court so ene no so ma postpone no mti aham ebuza for say adomasa so afred James Gyakye Quason ni case na James Gyakye Quason MPB I say obi edi ne court say Ghana memni say o standing for position bia my Ghana say MPO say minister or TBS stand for minister president or say you need not to hold allegiance to any other country apart from yours. Now according to Subuaye the born when he say or then he was holding another allegiance to another country, that is Canada. Na the assembly court edru baby assembly ye mente mo asia na court then James Gyakye Quason free parliament because na MP na OD na onu na ejire mu the amade asin north na omokoye by election na wasin north na James Gyakye Quason esan so the edi nkunim e wasin north bi na sa case no ya ma me case we chi sa ba me te hwe ne na me hu say court asan so aye den asori biom na some we dey abane say o man frɛ anasa faith prosecution witness Gyakye Quason ni case nim no a wa ba ma ne witness ensem ne deda no ya san so afrɛ ni biom say ombra na ombe den ombe ma me witness asem we say asem no ashase soja enisam some state recall fake prosecution witness in James Gyakye Quason's trial. And Accra High Court has granted a motion for the prosecution in the trial of James Gyakye Quason, the Member of Parliament for Asin North, to recall a witness pursuant to Section 79 of the Evidence Act. A young Madam Esi Denta Yanka, the principal state attorney, said the basis for the motion was that Lateef Oshenu, the faith prosecution witness in an ongoing trial, during his cross-examination, notified the court of a page that was omitted in an exhibit which he had tendered into evidence. The MP for Asin North is facing 5 charges. So, if in case you've forgotten, my main reminder kakra James Gyakye Quason case no 1 deceit of public officer
forgery of passport or travel certificate, knowingly making a false statutory declaration, perjury, and false declaration for office. He has since pleaded not guilty and has been granted bail. Madam Yanka said the witness sought to refer to that omitted page but was unable to do so. The prosecution sought for witness to be recalled for the complete document to be placed before the court to enable him refer to it as they sought to do during his testimony. She prayed that the court should exercise its discretion in their favor, because without that the said exhibit in its current form would be incomplete. So as we all know and as we've been perceiving, we've been perceiving that one share na President John Dramani Mahama ebeyesa na Gyakye Quason case oma drop it and as a trial no adro, because already na ya sha say editing say be opuni dey say and say editing and am near editing inkete say I want person drop case no and no come dey ro say I debi omo nya say Mahama enim say opuni innocent onjai na court no ebe reveal ni nyina in due time. Enti sana say Gyakye Quason case so yere sampenya pa John Dramani Mahama ebe drop it and now say James Gyakye Quason will head to prison and jail, and I say bia he'll be found not guilty in the case. So I'm saying we submit that the complete exhibit P is what will enable the trial court to do justice in the case, rather than the court making references to the clearly incomplete document, the construction of which might affect the trial judge's ability to assess the absent page or otherwise. The prosecution said a copy of the said exhibit had been attached to the affidavit in support of the motion, bearing in mind that the exhibit P before the court was a copy of the document that the witness tendered. Mr. Chachuchikata, counsel for Mr. Quason, said, "We indicated in our notice in response what we intend to do. We have not seen the original document, so we are not opposed." He said he just observed that when the state attorney referred to a clearly incomplete document, that was what they put in evidence. So this is also the counsel, a lawyer, Gyakye Quason, a renowned lawyer in Ghana, that is Chachuchikata, or NDC lawyer. The court, presided over by Justice Mary Mami Eku Yanzu, said that the omitted document was the parliamentary nomination form. She said the prosecution had to have the original document tendered attached to the application as mandated by the rules of the court. The judge said it should be noted that the prosecution had not followed the orders of the court to provide the accused with certain documents. The order is made again so that the prosecution provides the accused with those documents before the next adjournment date on February 12. NT Ebusiafo. Hey, Gyakye Quason. Case. I'm not asking could do court Ebusiafo, because it could do court. When I was a yes, court a very serious place. Now senior no abani. In senior witness he say your friend say documents be anke or provided as of witness no documents no ye ko hwehwe mu no ye eni enti ommo kwan na ommo ko hwehwe documents no embra into court ajatum ordinary ruling apa but ye hwe James Gyakye Quason ensem no baby a ebede ebekwa koduro